Once your account is created, verified, 2FA enabled, and has a sufficient spot balance, you will be able to convert your crypto. Begin by logging into your Bybit account. Start on the Bybit homepage. Click on Assets and then choose Spot. Look for the Convert option, typically located next to the cryptocurrency you want to convert, and click on it. In the destination field, type in the cryptocurrency you want to acquire in the search bar. Enter the quantity of tokens you want to convert, or simply click All to automatically input the maximum amount you have. Click on Convert. You'll see a summary of your conversion. Make sure to click Confirm before the displayed deadline expires to finalize the transaction. After the conversion is successfully completed, you'll receive a notification confirming the transaction's success. To access your newly converted tokens, click on View Assets and return to your spot.